Hi, welcome to day 10. So on day 10, what we did was here, there, there. We did the doors on these guys right here, and the back side of this guy right here. Also did the hallway all the way down. Let's see if I can turn that on. There we go. Did the small stuff like the doors on these guys, like here, the both sides of the doors. Lots of little doors that we've done, like that right here goes underneath here, and some other small other doors going that way. Let me give you a little yonder down below. Okay, so did all that right there. Did that door right there. On the sides, kind of a tight fit down here, so videos don't do justice right there. So all the steps, ding 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 ding, all the way up, going this way, so you can see what it looks like before and after. Okay, stay tuned. Day 11, last day, it's coming. And I will tell you at the end of the, we'll do a little walkthrough after day 11. So day 11 is basically on this right here, all these windows in frame right here. They decided to do this white right here. It's like a matte white finish. So we're going to hit all the windows, all 6 windows. I'm going to try finishing up on those little guys right there. Unfortunately, we almost ran out of vinyl. Our project was to do the rooms down there and then down there, right below me, to do the beds and everything. But we ran out of vinyl, so we're going to figure that one out. We might have to come back and finish those rooms once we get the vinyl all done. But that's another project. Okay, stay tuned. Go to day 11 on the next video.